Dr. Jerry Whitfield held a PhD in aeroacoustics and worked in the aerospace industry for the Boeing Company and Rolls-Royce. He also had a most unusual question. Is there a more efficient, convenient, and environmentally friendly way to heat with wood? Simply put, is there a better way? In 1983, he set out on his own to find the answer. His discovery has revolutionized the way the world heats with wood. Dr. Whitfield is the inventor and the creator of the pellet burning stove. From the garage of 1983 with a single stove, Whitfield and his company, Pyro Industries, has grown to a 115,000 square foot manufacturing plant with hundreds of new stoves ready for shipment. Whitfield is well prepared to meet the growing demand for their product. They sell more pellet stoves than all other 30-plus manufacturers in North America combined. The reason for this success is simple. A better idea, well done. The result is the pellet stove. Conventional wood stoves control heat by manually regulating the flow of air to the fire. The simple but revolutionary concept of the pellet stove is to control heat by thermostatically regulating the amount of fuel reaching the high temperature forced air firebox. This innovative method produces heat in a very efficient and controllable manner, with a second blower forcing clean, heated air into the room. A unique air wash system draws air in over the glass to help keep the viewing glass clean. This is the pellet stove, and it burns the most unique fuel. The fuel pellets for the Whitfield stove are made from waste wood dust and chips. No new trees are cut for fuel. Wood pellets are domestically produced from renewable resources. They require only 1/3 the storage space of cordwood and are available in clean, easily manageable 40-pound bags. The cost of the pellets compares favorably with other home heating fuels. This very efficient fuel has become increasingly easier to obtain. From only 2 producers in 1983, the number of manufacturers has increased each year, totaling over 50 in North America today, with additional plants coming online each year. The spirit of the new Whitfield manufacturing plant in Burlington, Washington, can be best summed up in a single word: efficiency. The plant has been designed to be efficient. The staff works with efficiency, and the plant's only product, the Whitfield pellet stove, reflects this efficiency in its design, manufacture, and operation. The entire stove is produced right here in the world's largest pellet stove manufacturing plant. From receipt of flat sheet metal stock and basic electrical components, production moves through a series of manufacturing areas, each featuring major investments in the most up-to-date equipment and technology. Raw steel is punched in computer-managed presses to produce the basic stove sections. A modern sheet metal shop fabricates the individual stove components using electronically controlled machinery for optimum accuracy. Each stove is pre-fit together to ensure exact alignment before moving to the welding station. Here, computer-controlled, automated robotics provide precise internal welds. After further production work, the internal parts of the pellet stove, such as augers, blowers, and safety components, are installed. Electronic controls and safety devices are fitted by hand and tested for system integrity and dependability. The nearly completed stoves are sent to the paint stations where they receive one of several high-quality finishes and final inspection before shipping. It is the commitment to an ideal and to the realization of this commitment that has made Whitfield a proven leader in the pellet stove industry. But Whitfield does not only build the best stove today, they continue with designing for tomorrow. Whitfield's dedication to quality and efficiency, to a better way, has led to today's pellet stove. It is this dedication that has produced stoves with such durability and high burn efficiencies, with virtually no creosote buildup or visible smoke, that are EPA approved, and whose emission levels are so low that they have little or no impact on the environment. And because these stoves radiate significant heat only to the front, they may be installed within 1 inch of a wall. Installation is also made much simpler by the fact that Whitfield's forced air combustion system does not require any chimney, and the stove may be directly vented to the outside using only a 3-inch double-walled pipe. The same commitment that has produced today's stove drives the people of Whitfield to look always to the future. Improved design, greater efficiency, and even greater ease of operation remain a constant goal here. And while Whitfield is working for the future, they continue to build stoves of superb quality for today's user. For the Whitfield stove user, there may be little concern for product history or computer-controlled robotics. In fact, the true beauty and value of the Whitfield pellet stove lies in its easy dependability for the homeowner. With simple, periodic cleaning, the pellet stove has made wood heating a convenient and enjoyable experience. Fuel is placed in the hopper for up to a 50-hour burn time. The stove is easy to light, using a single match. Heat output is automatically controlled and is set either at the stove or at an optional wall-mounted thermostat. The Whitfield stove now provides a safe, steady, and clean source of warmth with comfort, style, and beauty. The pellet stove was invented to make heating with wood a science. And today, the industry leader still bears the name of its inventor, Jerry Whitfield. Our stove is designed and built to work efficiently and to last. Our dealers stand behind our product, and we stand behind our product, both today and tomorrow. For very valid reasons, the inventor of the pellet stove remains the leader. This is the Whitfield story.